Alright, fire this up this morning. I'm getting a little interference here, but 1000 PPS, 10 US delay, nothing on the hysteresis. I'll do some coinage and then some gold, modern nickel. Right at 7. 1905 nickel. About the same. 39 Indian head nickel, buffalo nickel. Same, 6 inches. Indian head penny. That's 7 inches. Modern penny. Seven inches. Dime. Modern dime. About 6 inches. These are some foreign coins. I don't know what they are, about the same size as a dime. Six to 7 inches. Modern quarter. Seven inches. Modern 50-cent piece. 8 inches. Australian coin. Pretty heavy coin. Thick. 9 inches. Mexican coin. $8 inches. Liberty $50. Shows 7, but it's usually higher than that. About 8 inches. Some kind of Chinese coin. I think it's tin or aluminum. 10 inches. Got a couple meteorite pieces. I can't remember what it weighs. About 6 inches on the big one. Smaller piece. About 4 inches. I can't remember. I think this is a 12K gold ring. Just picks it up at 6. This coil is not the best coil for gold. It's a 18 grain nugget. About 2 inches, and the smaller ones it won't even pick up. So, but if I put the 3D SS coil on there, same settings, it'll pick up the 18 grain nugget about 5 inches and the gold ring about 9 inches. But I lose my readings on my LCD for some reason. I don't know why, but other than that, that's it. It seems to be working pretty good.